So in the previous lesson, we checked out examples related to the functions, how functions are used. And in this lesson, we are going to create a simple mini project, which is the magic color potion. And the goal is to create a reusable method that changes an object's color and size. And we'll call this method with different ingredients when pressing different keys. So let's go to the project and create a new scene. And we'll rename this scene to lesson 4 project. And we are just going to need one script, which is going to be the potion master. And let's create the script. And open up the script in Visual Studio. So how we are going to change the color and the size. So let's put it inside the correct namespace. And so we need to change the color. So private mesh renderer, and we'll just call it mesh renderer, reader renderer. And inside our start, we'll get a reference to the mesh renderer. And inside update, if P, then brew potion, not brew. Let's attach it to dot one F1 F2 joystick. There are so many ones. Keycode dot keypad 1, keypad 0 1, not keypad. Okay, alpha 1. Then we are going to drink the potion. And the potion is going to be colored red. And we'll change the size of our object to F. Similarly, F2, then we'll change it to 3. And again, we'll have F3, then we'll change it to green. And we'll need to create the drink potion. So it creates our drink. 2F, then instead of 3, let's make it 0.5F. And alpha 3 will make it 1F. For the alpha 3, we'll set the color to be a random dot color HSV. So when we press 3, it is going to reset the size and invoke reset color after the duration. Invoke reset cube. And by default, it is white color. So yeah, let's have it white only. And we also need to change the size. So transform.local scale is going to be v3.1 multiplied by the duration. Okay. So that's it for our script, and we'll need to create a cube for our game object. So we'll attach a mesh filter and a mesh renderer, and better. Let's attach a blue, and we'll attach our Potion master script, and also we'll create a light so we can see our scene better. So directional light, and let's set the main camera to be black, background black, and let's position it 60, 0, and 10. Let's make it perspective. X, okay, Y. We'll also need the Z coordinate. Hmm. So this is our cube. Let's see. Y. And let's hit play and let's see what is going to happen. So first we are going to press 1. So the color is changed to red and then it changed to blue. Then 2, it changed to blue for half a second. And 3, a random color for a random amount of time. That is black, gray. So that was it for the project.